How to sell crypto from external wallet on MoonPay. In order to sell crypto from an external wallet using MoonPay, what you have to do is you need to go to MoonPay, sell or open integrated non-custodial wallet app like MetaMask, Phantom or Exodus. If you're using MoonPay, go to the Sell tab from the top of the screen. Now select the option called Sell and pick the asset or cryptocurrency that you want to trade. Then you have to choose your target fiat currency such as USD or Euros and input the amount. Then select your payment method like bank transfer or card payout and input your cash out destination details. And if any required verification like KYC is needed, make sure to complete that as well. After that, if you want to transfer crypto from an external wallet, you can choose to do that as well. Either way, this is the way to sell crypto from external wallet. Thanks for watching and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.